Today, I'm going to be turning that into the IKEA PAX built-in wardrobe with a little seating area for Aria as well, so that she can read all of her books, because she's got loads of books. So, let's time lapse it, see what happens. Again, I have no idea how this is going to go. We're going to give it a crack. So.
Conversation about your operation. I see the spot you're chasing like Rock Nation. What if you never meet Jay? You never meet him. What if you never meet Dre? What if you never meet them? You better be ready and never overweight to take chances. Then your chances can never be slim. I want you to make it.
Don't take my oxygen, no. Just can't be without.
Day 2, absolutely riddled with man flu and snot. It's a good state of me. Anyways, we are now finishing this, and I need to put down carpet grippers and underlay to lay the carpet. I have no energy for this, but we go again. Day dos. Day 3, Easter Sunday. Started laying the underlay on this, but I'll put down a second layer of it because it's thin. And now I'm going to try and do the carpet, but there's the built-in wardrobe. That's the seating area with the storage unit as well inside, so that she can store all of her stuff. Let's give it a go. Day 3. Day 4 for me today in working in my daughter's room to try and get it ready for her to basically move into now, because it's been dragging on a long time. So, new carpet has been laid by moi. Me and Pez have done the built-in wardrobes. They need to be finished off, obviously, so it looks seamless. And we've built the seating area / storage unit, and Ari's gonna have cushions on there and some shelves up there and stuff, so that's going to be nice, but that's going to be completed over the course of the next couple of weeks. But the carpet's gone in, and now I've got to build her double bed there. And then I think I'm done as far as working on this bedroom. It's been a long old slog, but we got there. Anyways, let's time lapse it the last little bit. Here we go.